How to fix you need the official WhatsApp to use this account error on WhatsApp. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are also facing or encountering such issue on your WhatsApp account, then what you need to do is first simply head over to your settings on your device. So once you're inside your settings, scroll all the way down until you see the apps option. So under the apps section, just locate the WhatsApp application. So once you locate the WhatsApp application, just tap on it and scroll all the way down until you see the storage option, and just from here just clear the place and clear the data, and you may have to re-enter the login credentials to use the WhatsApp application once again. So once you do all of that, and if it's still not fixing, then what you can do is just head over to your Chrome browser and just search in for contactwhatsapp.com. So once you search in for that, you will be heading over to this page, and just from here just tap on this first link, that is contact us option, and from over here you just have to enter your mobile number, email address, and your confirming email address as well, and just choose where did you use your WhatsApp account lastly. So choose it accordingly, and once you do all of that, just enter the message saying your or stating your issue that you are facing. So once you type in the following message by stating your problems, just click on next step, and the WhatsApp Health Center team will be contacting you under the next 24 hours, and you just have to follow your instruction to solve this problem. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.